Mga kapuso, napangiti ang mga taga Land of Smiles o yung mga taga Thailand sa isang bagong dinosaur species na nadiskubre sa kanilang bansa na siya raw pinakamalaki ngayon sa Southeast Asia. Anong dinosaur ba ito? Kuya Kim, ano na?
Sa haba nitong 1.78 meters, ang humerus o front leg bone na ito, singtangkad ng researcher at PhD student mula University College London na si Titiwut Setapanitsakul. Ang butong ito, isa lamang sa mga butong nahukay sa Thailand, 10 taon na nakakaraan.
They had found it on the side of a pond in 2016 by local villagers. They immediately notified the Department of Mineral Resources in Thailand, who came down. They began excavation immediately once they realized it was dinosaur bones, and excavation continued until 2020.
At mabusising pinag-aralan ng grupo ni Titiwut nitong mga nakalipas na taon.
Moving the specimens is very difficult. Most of the specimens require at least 4 people to lift and move around. One of the ways we get around that is by using a 3D surface scanner to scan the specimens.
At kamakailan lamang, napag-alaman nila ng naturang buto mula pala sa isang bagong species ng napakalaking dinosaur. Ang bagong tuklas na dinosaur, tinawag nilang Nagatitan Chayapumensis, hango sa lugar kung saan ang mga ito nahukay, ang probinsya ng Chayapun. Ang Nagatitan Chayapumensis nabuhay daw 120 hanggang 100 million years na nakakaraan. Kabilang ang mga ito sa pamilya ng mga sauropods o mga plant-eating dinosaur na may mahabang leeg.
More specifically, it belongs to a group of sauropods called the Somphospondylan. They're known for a couple different key features, one of which being their highly pneumatized skeleton. So their skeleton actually has been modified to contain a lot of air sacs so that they lighten the mass of their skeleton.
Ayon sa ginawang analysis ng grupo ni Titiwut, ang Nagatitan Chayapumensis tinatayang nasa 27 tons ang bigat, kasing bigat ng 9 na adult Asian elephants. Nasa 27 meters naman ang haba nito o singhaba ng isang blue whale.
The most significant thing, I think, for a lot of people is its size. Nagatitan is the biggest Southeast Asian sauropod that we know of.
Kaya ito ngayon ang pinakamalaking dinosaur na nadiskubre hindi lamang sa Thailand kundi sa buong Southeast Asia. Ang pagkakadiskubre sa tinuturing ngayong The Last Titan of Thailand, malaking bagay para kina Titiwut.
A new dinosaur doesn't come by very often. This is the 14th dinosaur to be named in Thailand, and it gives us a better idea of kind of the environment of early Cretaceous Thailand.
Laging tandaan, kimportante ang may alam. Ito po si Kuya Kim at sagot ko kayo, 24 oras.